fam, welcome to day 6 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge. We are attacking that belly fat again today. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. I feel so energized today. We are going to be doing 3 minutes of the side plank, which is actually challenging because I normally don't go beyond 1 minute of the side plank per side. So I hope you are energized. I hope you are hydrated, and let's get down on the mat to begin with. We shall begin with our first minute right now. So just get into position. We are going to be doing 30 seconds per side with every minute, and if it's very challenging for you all the way, just do it right at your knees. Otherwise, get all the way up at your knees, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds, guys. Keep breathing, pulling in your abs towards the spine, breathing in and out, and let's keep holding this. Just keep holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down, guys. Just give me 1-2 seconds of stretch and get into the next 30 seconds the other side. So pull your abs towards the spine and get yourself off the mat, and we shall be beginning this right away. 30 seconds, guys. Feeling your abs tightening up. I love the side plank. It is very safe. It is good for everyone, new moms. It really helps to tighten those abs, especially the obliques. So just continue holding this right there and keep going. We are doing amazing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down, guys. We want to stretch it out for 1, 2, and we are going to be having some 30 seconds of rest. So we want to keep the heart rate up, but we want to catch our breath and relax it out before we head into the second minute. How are you feeling, guys? And how was yesterday's workout? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, let's get into the second minute. So beginning with the right side again, we want to get down onto our mat, and we want to pull those abs towards the spine, and we shall be getting up and holding this right there, guys. Does it look simple or does it feel simple for you guys? I don't know, but for me it's really burning. So just continue holding this. Keep going. Keep breathing. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down, guys. And we want to stretch it out for 1-2 seconds and move on to the next side. So just breathe in, breathe out, pull your abs towards the spine and get off the mat, and we shall hold this for 30 seconds. We are in our second minute, guys, and so far so good. Keep going, keep breathing. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down, guys. I'm dying. And stretch it out for 1, 2, and we are going to be resting for 30 seconds. Feel free to go grab some water. Just catch your breath, get your energy. Don't bring your heart rate down yet. We still have 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute of the side plank. So just catch your breath, and we are getting into the last minute, guys. We're almost there in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So get back down, guys. safely on your sides, and let's begin doing this. This is the last minute, guys, so we're almost there. Keep breathing, keep pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep going, guys, we're almost there. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, get down, guys, and just stretch it out for 1-2 seconds and switch to the other side. Breathe in, breathe out, pull your abs towards the spine and get up. Let's do this. Keep breathing, keep going, guys. These feel like the longest seconds of my life, but we have this, guys. We are getting there. So just continue going, guys. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we did it. And stretch it out, guys. We have come to the end of our workout today, but before that, let's do some longer stretching. Let's stretch out those sides, especially 30 seconds per side. So just reach out to the opposite side, reaching your hand to as far as you can. I'm sweating, guys. And just hold it right there, feeling that stretch in your arms and in your abdominal muscles, especially the sides. Keep breathing, keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch over onto the other side. Feeling that stretch in your neck as well, in your arms, in your left side of the body. Stretching, keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come down. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. I feel worked on. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a mega thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Please invite them to join us in getting rid of that unwanted arm and belly fat. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. And it means a lot to me if you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.